Okay, all right. Welcome to IT Father class. Now you are going to learn something new. That's roaming profile. So you're going to use Windows Server 2012 R2 to create a roaming profile. So with a roaming user profile, employees' data follows them from device to device, and also these profiles are stored on a network server rather than on a desktop computer. Again, when the employee logs off, Windows copies any update that the user made to profile data from desktop to the network copy of the profile. And also in the roaming profile, when a user logs onto the network, his or her profile is copied from the server to the user's desktop. And when the user logs off of their computer, the profile is copied back to the server. Yes, so let's do some small practical. But before the practicals, we have two different types. We have a local profile and we have a roaming profile. And a local profile is one that is stored directly on the computer, and roaming profiles are stored on a server and can be accessed by logging into any computer on the network. In a roaming profile, when a user logs onto the network, his or her profile is copied from the server to the user's desktop. So a roaming profile allows the user's desktop and application settings to follow them no matter what domain member. So now let's start something. So let's move to desktop. So now let's create some folder. Let's create new folder. So you create a folder. So let's name as roaming. Let's name as roaming. So now we have to share this folder on the network. So you right click on it, then you go to properties, then you go to sharing. So then here you go to share. Since we wanted to apply these settings on all users, you scroll down and select everyone. Then you go to add. Then you come in, then you scroll down here, then select read and write. Then you share. So after sharing, then you click done. Then you come to advanced sharing. Then you mark share this folder. So here you go and give permissions. So you click on permissions. So here depends on you. You can either take read, change, or full control. So the person can see the thing but cannot do any changes of it. And so when you take full control, the person can change and do everything, edit, copy, do everything of it. So now let's take full control so that the person can make changes of it. So apply, okay, then apply here to, then okay. So now we have network path here. So now you are going to copy the network path so that you can follow, or in the next console you can do something else there. So let's copy the file, the network path. So you copy, okay, then you close it. Then let's move to Active Directory, users and computers. So you click on tools, then you go to Active Directory, users and computers. Okay, here I have OU here. I've created one OU, that's IT department. So within the IT department, I have 3 user accounts. I have Grace, I have Jackson, I have Menu. So now we want to apply the settings on all the users. So you highlight the users here, then you right click on it, then you go to properties. So then you click on profile. So you mark profile path, then you paste what you just copied. Then you bring backslash, then you bring percentage sign, a type of user name, then you end with what? The percentage sign. Then you click on what? Apply, and then okay. So right click on it, go to properties, profile. You see it's there, and this one to profile, it's also there. Let's come here, properties. Sorry, profile is also there. So now let's take Grace. So let's log out with this account. Okay, so the name is what? I do at human.org. That's the domain name. Password. So let's go to start. So you see we have Grace here. That's it. So now for you to know the thing is working, you right click on the computer, you go to properties, then you go to advanced system settings. So here you make sure advanced has been selected, then you click on the settings and the user profiles. So you see the type is what? Roaming. So the work is done. Take note of this. Roaming profile is created by system administrator, and also roaming profile is available every time you log into any computer on the network.